Greetings and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm troubleshooting here VESTAX VMC002. The problem of this unit, headphone no sound. In troubleshooting, there are many ways how to troubleshoot this kind of problem, but in this video, I'm going to share mine. Since the problem is headphone no sound, let's check first the headphone. I have here my own headphone. I'm going to place this one in the microphone of my video cam. I've already placed the headphone. This one here is the headphone for left and the other one for right channel. The pin configuration of a standard headphone is ground, right, and left channel. So place one of your test probe in ground, then tap the right channel and you can hear the crackling sound. Then left channel, you can hear a crackling sound. That is a good indication that your headphone is good. Since the jack is PL stereo, I'm going to use an adapter. So I'm going to place adapter. Then let's check again if we can hear that crackling sound. It means my adapter is good. Now I'm going to plug this one in the PL jack and let's check again if it has a crackling sound. Left and right. This is ground. I put my ground here because this one is ground. It means that the PL jack is good. Now we can proceed to another step in troubleshooting. Now that we isolate this one, this is good. Let's check the connection. From the PL stereo jack, this is connected here. I will flip this one and this is the connection. From here, it is directly to the IC. This one here is the IC. So this is one of my suspected component. Then, as I check this one, I found out that there's a busted capacitor, this one. Check the capacitor, this one. There's some kind of a white part coming out from the capacitor. I'm going to remove this one later on and let's find out if this capacitor is busted or not. These are some of the connections from this connector here. This is connected directly to the monitor select for your Q and master. And from this switch, this is connected going to gain control or level control of your headphone or the volume control of your headphone. And the part here, this is the program 2, then program 1. And from this point, this is connected input directly to this IC. From this IC, it will go out going to this PL jack stereo. I connect the headphone jack directly to my amplifier. And it has signal. Let's check. Program 1. Nothing happened. Program 2, program 1. Part here. No sound. So I'm going to replace IC at the same time this capacitor. So as you can see, this capacitor, this is already busted, and as you can see, this is already exploded. This is 25 volts, 100 microfarad. I'm going to replace this IC NJM4556AL. This is the original IC and this is now my replacement. The same part number, NJM4556AL. The original NJM4556AL. I already replaced the IC and the capacitor. These are my two suspected components for this troubleshooting. So I will not use headphone. It's hard to share with you guys using headphone. So I'm going to use powered speaker directly to this PL jack. Then I'm going to turn this on. It has signal. Then there. It's working now. Then This is the monitor. Program 2, program 1. Then if I will set this one to master, there's no use. Then if you want to cue this one, cue the program 2, just like DJ, they cue before playing the record. So I'm not a DJ, I'm just sharing how this one works. So this is program 1, I'm using program 1. Program 2, no sound. I will slide this one, no sound. I will slide this one since this is set in Q, then there's no effect. I will set this one to master. No sound because I have no program 2. I use program 1. Now I'm going to use program 2. This is program 2. I will slide this one, then slide this one, then Q. This is Q. There's no effect. Then no sound in program 1 because I changed to program 2. So you can cue your record program 1 before playing. So this is program 2. Master. This is master. No sound because I set to master, but Q, it has sound. And I think that's all, guys. How to troubleshoot headphone no sound. Check first the headphone going to this PL jack. That's the very basic how to troubleshoot no sound. And time to time, especially to a newbie, if you don't know how to check the connections, time will come that you can get just like I did. It is very simple to troubleshoot, but sometimes it's very hard. It depends on the parts. Sometimes it's hard to tell if the parts are good or bad. That's all I can say. Hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.